Hi everyone, I'm Nancy, your favorite innkeeper from Old Square Inn in Mountjoy, Pennsylvania, in beautiful Lancaster County. My dream was to be an innkeeper. I always wanted to make beautiful meals and decorate rooms to the finest detail. I envisioned welcoming people from all over the world and creating a space where they could relax and make memories that lasted forever. And for me, I wanted a place where I could live and work and rest and be creative and still be able to take some time off. I wanted it in a little community where you could walk to restaurants and shops but still get to everything Lancaster County had to offer. Old Square Inn made my dreams come true, and as I move on to my next adventure, it could be the perfect place for you too. Stop in and take a look. Maybe you'll be the next favorite innkeeper.